Essence Beauty YouTube channel. I'm Khushi.
And I'm Tanshi. Today we are doing a super fun challenge and it's a little bit daring.
That's right. We're going to be exchanging each other's makeup bags. I love her makeup, so I'm so excited to do it.
Me too, guys. Let's get started.
Oh my god, there's so much exciting stuff in here.
We literally have an event after this, so this better turn out really. Okay, so we have set everything up and the first step, makeup clips.
Looks so cute. Let's get started.
Okay, the first one I'm going to use is this MAC Prep and Prime. If you've never used it,
It's amazing.
I hope so.
And I'm going to start with this Bobbi Brown face base.
This feels so hydrating on my skin.
You're literally glowing.
I know, right? My skin feels literally so hydrated.
And mine feels prepped, so let's move on to base.
I'm going to use this foundation. I hope the shade is a match.
And I have the MAC Stroke Dewy Skin Tint. I've already stolen this from her and used it a couple of times, and I love it because you don't even have to mix stroke cream with it. It just gives such a natural glow.
I think this is a very good shade match. I can already feel it. You know, when I was growing up, like as a kid, I would never find my foundation shade like in the exact match, and it would be like so terrifying. Like I would go to school with just a moisturizer and
A lip balm, baby lips.
yeah, and a baby lips lip balm. Like
We all had that phase. And to think that we've grown up so much in terms of our makeup routine is like crazy.
yeah, the way the brands are so much friendlier with brown skin now is amazing.
This looks so natural, it feels like a second skin.
Your skin looks so dewy. Okay, I think I'm done. Just look at my skin. It's such a perfect skin match.
And it looks so radiant.
I know, right? Okay, let's go in with the concealer, I think. I've never used this brand before, Arcelia.
Trust me, it's a good one. Okay, so I'm done with my base because Tanshi prefers to use a very natural light base. But personally, I like to use a concealer, a shade lighter, because I think it really brightens and lifts my face. So she's doing exactly that.
Guys, look at this concealer. It literally looks so good. I don't know why I've never used this before.
See, I told you. Now it's time to use some powder to make sure this doesn't crease.
Okay, for that, I'll be using this Sugar Translucent Powder. I've heard really good things about it.
And I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder.
Guys, it literally blurred my under eye. Like, are you seeing this? Do you remember the 2016 makeup trend where baking was like so in?
Oh my god, yeah. You used to look like such ghosts trying to do it.
Yeah, but I think baking really helps if you do it the right way, you know?
If you do it the right way.
Yeah, that really
Not like
matters.
us, guys. Don't be like us.
Doing it the right way helps so much. Like you should apply the powder wherever it uses for you. Like for me, it's the T-zones and the under eye. So keep it there for at least 2 to 3 minutes.
Oh, and don't forget to dust it off. Okay, now the fun part, eyeshadow.
I usually am a neutral girly, like can't you tell? But she uses so many bright shades. I am so scared.
Remember in college when we used to go to concerts together, I would do such fun eye looks on you with all the colorful shades.
And I would literally be so basic with just the neutral tones and like, I am so scared.
Oh my god, what am I going to do with this?
Can you help me?
I think you should do the pink or the mauve. What about me?
I think you should do the clean girl look.
I like to keep it simple and just use my finger and evenly spread out the eyeshadow.
Oh my god, this is so pigmented and I literally have no concealer on. I don't even know why I was scared of colors before.
Everything looks good.
I know.
Okay, I've finished my natural eye look using this Connect in Color MAC eyeshadow palette, and now I'm gonna go in with this Lakme Absolute eyeshadow stick in the color Champagne.
This has been our favorite thing to use ever since it came out. We have been obsessing over it since years now. I just feel like we love highlighting our inner corners so much. Let me take it from her.
Look at that. I think it just makes my eyes look so much brighter and bigger.
Now let's go in with my favorite step, the mascaras. I just feel like mascara makes me look so much more alive. Like I cannot step out of my house without a mascara.
I usually use the Smashbox Superfan one, but I'm gonna try this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara today, and I'm really excited. I've heard so much about it.
Smashbox, you are convincing me because this Superfan mascara is actually giving me so much more length.
I think the funniest face we make is the one we make while putting on mascara. Like, we usually look like a fish. Like, there's literally just one coat.
I know, it's my favorite thing ever.
All done. That was such a slay. Okay, now for my favorite part, blush. I'm gonna be using the Powder Pink blush by Bobbi Brown.
I'm going to be using the Glow Play blush by MAC in the shade Groovy. Like it's a coral color and I'm a beach girl if you can't tell. So I'm going to go in with this.
I think it's perfect for you.
Oh my god, I look so...
Do you think blush blindness is a thing?
No girls, we can never have enough blush on. Now let's go in with the highlighter.
That has so many options. I love to travel with that bag. And I'm going to be using this MAC highlighter in the shade Cheek Bronze. It's always good to use a fan brush to highlight your cheekbones.
Oh my god, look at it.
Give me.
Why are you stealing my fan brush? Oh no.
It's ours. Okay, another thing I love to do with highlighter is highlight my decollage.
Oh my god, please do it for me also. Oh my god, that looks so good.
Now it's time for the lip combo. One thing a brown lip liner can't fix, so I'm going to be using the shade Wonder by Makeup Revolution.
And I'm going to be using the shade Plum and Matte. It makes my lips look so much more fuller.
I mean, who needs lip filler when you have a brown?
Yeah. Now going in with my lipstick, it's so bedazzled. It's literally so neat.
I love the packaging.
Like, look at this shade.
And going with the theme of my nude makeup look, I'm going to be using the shade Hey Sugar by Love Child by Masaka. The consistency of this is so rich. We're besties.
Of course, we are both gloss girlies and we use the gloss of the same brand. I just love to top off any of my lip combos with a shimmery lip gloss, especially this one by Maybelline. It's in the shade Pearl.
My makeup routine is literally incomplete without a gloss.
And all done.
You look so cute. And finally,
Setting sprays. Shake, shake.
fan it off.
I am loving this new makeup look on me. So would you swap your makeup back permanently with me?
Like, not permanently, but it was really great to try something new. Oh my god, I love how your makeup looks. I think it looks better on her than on me.
Yours too, girl. I literally love it. You literally glow.
So this brings us to the end of our makeup challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. Thank you so much for watching and make sure to like, comment and subscribe on the SF Beauty YouTube channel for more fun stuff from us.
And let us know in the comments what is your one favorite makeup product that you can't live without. And see you next time.
Bye!